In a small town, there lived a young man named Karan. Karan was kind and worked hard, yet he always felt less than others. Every day, he looked at his friend Kunal, who was good at sports, and his neighbor Sita, an excellent singer. Karan would say, "I am not as good as them." This thought made him feel sad and confused. One day, Karan met his teacher, Mr. Sharma, who saw his quiet sadness. Mr. Sharma said, "Karan, do not compare yourself to anyone. Each of us has our gifts. Just like the flowers in a garden, every person blooms in their way." Karan listened and thought about Mr. Sharma's words. He began to notice the things he liked about himself. He was good at telling stories, and his friends loved the way he made them laugh. Slowly, Karan learned to see his value. He realized that comparing himself to others only made him forget the gifts he had. With time, Karan practiced focusing on his work. He spent time reading, writing, and listening to the stories of his elders. Each day, he grew more confident in his own steps. Instead of feeling small beside others, he began to celebrate his small wins. Karan's heart grew happier as he learned to be proud of who he was. He stopped wasting time worrying about what others could do and started working to grow his talents. His new mindset brought a smile to his face and light in his eyes. Soon, the people around Karan began to notice his change. His friends saw a man who was sure of himself and calm. Karan's journey taught many in the town that true strength comes from within. Every person has their path, and every step taken is valuable. From that day on, Karan never compared himself with anyone. He learned that his worth was not tied to what others did, but to who he was inside. And in this simple truth, Karan found a deep and lasting happiness.